coal ball press has a pair of axes parallel to each other, the same diameter. There is a certain gap between the cylindrical wheel. The wheel has many shape and size of the same, regular arrangement of the hemisphere foci. Under the drive of the motor, the two wheels rotate at the same speed and in opposite directions. When the material falls into the joint between the two wheels, the material begins to compress in volume between the corresponding two balls and sockets. The shaped wheel rotates continuously and the ball and socket gradually close. The forming pressure increases gradually and reaches the maximum when the distance between the two balls and sockets is minimum. Then the wheel rotation makes the ball and socket gradually separate, and the forming pressure decreases rapidly. When the forming pressure is reduced to zero, the coal ball press into the ball object began to expand out.